My God, I hate drugs.
Following India's ban on TikTok, the US and Australia too could ban the Chinese video sharing app, and the results will be devastating for Xi Jinping. After India undertook a digital surgical strike upon China by banning 59 Chinese apps, including TikTok, other allies of India are looking to emulate the same feat. It is now being reported that the United States of America and Australia might also ban the controversial app owned by the Chinese tech giant ByteDance. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, who has been at China's Achilles heel ever since he took the position 2 years back, has confirmed that the US administration is looking at banning TikTok and other Chinese social media apps in the country. While talking to Fox News, Pompeo said, "I don't want to get out in front of the president, but it's something we're looking at." The US has been increasingly wary of the Chinese app and the Chinese companies as the ties to the United Front and the Communist Party of China continue to surface. Pompeo's statement further comes at a time when the Trump administration is in the middle of revoking Hong Kong's special trade status after Beijing passed the highly controversial national security law, which is aimed at culling the autonomy and freedom of Hong Kongers. The 2-year trade war with China and Beijing's hesitation to honor the first phase of the trade deal has further pushed Washington to take this step. Here, India's decision to ban TikTok has acted as a catalyst, as many Americans have wondered when the US will follow. You see, TikTok is a stooge of the CCP as it censors content critical of the Chinese government. You cannot talk about Tibet or the Tiananmen Square massacre on TikTok. The concern that ByteDance and its CEO Zhang Yiming are thick as thieves with the CCP stems from the fact that a 2017 Chinese intelligence law requires companies like ByteDance to cooperate with the Chinese government when it comes to spying or matters of national security. The Article 6 of China's 2017 National Intelligence Law states, "All organizations and citizens shall, in accordance with the law, support, cooperate with, and collaborate in national intelligence work and guard the secrecy of national intelligence work they are aware of." If the US indeed bans TikTok, then it will be the second biggest Chinese casualty after the Trump administration went after Huawei. Trump has single-handedly ejected Huawei from the USA and European nations like the United Kingdom. In fact, the US had initiated an inquiry on TikTok last year itself. According to a report by Reuters last year in November, the US government had launched a national security review of the Chinese-owned video platform TikTok. The US officials have been suspicious of the video sharing platform's collection of user data, and like Huawei, the company is accused of sharing user data with the Chinese government. ByteDance said the US user data was stored in the United States, but the senators noted that ByteDance is governed by Chinese laws. Australia is also all set to land a sucker punch on China. According to a report in the Herald Sun, a federal MP of Australia has revealed plans to put TikTok before the Foreign Interference Through Social Media Senate inquiry over fears that the app developers are sharing user data with the Chinese government. The MP anonymously told the newspaper, "It might be dressed differently, but it's the same beast." The popular video sharing app is used by more than 1.6 million Australians, and after India and the USA, it could be another major jolt out of the blue for the Chinese company. The unnamed MP also says this is an effort by the CCP to collect data of users in other countries. The Australian Defence Forces are already wary of the espionage capacities of TikTok, and it had banned the app on any defense-issued device earlier this year. According to San Francisco-based market intelligence from Sensor Tower, TikTok had surpassed 2 billion downloads globally in April. The United States now stands in the top 3 countries in terms of downloads, where it has picked up 165 million installs, or 8.2% of the total. TikTok revenue streams from the US accounts for 42% of total revenue. Apart from this, TikTok has become the #1 app in terms of downloads on the Apple Store, beating all the other competitors handsomely. Consequently, if banned in both countries, TikTok might lose a huge stream of revenue. After the Indian ban itself, TikTok is slated to lose $6 billion. The social media platform is trying to take a stand and is saying it will exit Hong Kong within the next few days after China passed the national security law. However, this atonement drive of TikTok comes a little too late. The global hegemony China wanted to create in the digital sphere is now being challenged as countries are beginning to stand up to it. India has shown the way, and the rest of the world is surely taking cue.